Maxion Wheels is a global leader in the design and manufacture of steel and aluminum wheels for passenger cars, light trucks, and commercial vehicles. Our rich history spanning over 100 years and commitment to innovation, quality, and sustainability are the reason why we are serving major automotive manufacturers worldwide.
Going back to when we first began working together, do you remember what were the key challenges you aimed to address?
Our objective was to create a robust foundation characterized by efficient and transparent processes while enhancing the delivery service. Instead of only providing basic IT support to our business, we aim to become a partner that excels the business operations. Our previous IT operations was decentralized. Operations primarily provided technical support. However, following the decisions during the transformation, we transitioned our delivery service model to a service-oriented approach.
What specifically led you to choose Stefanini as a partner for the implementation and then maintenance of the ServiceNow platform? What were the main needs you were hoping to fulfill?
During our search for a partner to support initiatives on a global scale, we discovered Stefanini. With strong references and certified as a ServiceNow partner, we commenced negotiations and quickly recognized Stefanini as an excellent choice. Our primary requirements during our implementation of ServiceNow was to receive guidance from experts in ITIL processes to our specific cases. Successfully transitioning from our previous tool and achieving a seamless implementation has enabled us to establish ongoing maintenance effectively.
With this implementation on ServiceNow and automation tools, what changes have you seen in your operations and employee experience?
Our implemented automation on the one hand improved the experience to the business as the delivery time is significantly decreased, and on the other hand reduced the workload in the technical teams.
AI is transforming businesses globally. How do you see AI-powered automation shaping the future of Maxion's overall business processes?
Maxion's digital transformation strategy already emphasizes the adoption of AI and other advanced technologies to improve business processes. By leveraging AI-powered automation, Maxion can enhance its overall performance, agility, and competitiveness in the market. While there is a significant opportunity to utilize AI on the ServiceNow platform, several prerequisites pose challenges for quick implementations. Nevertheless, we are exploring numerous solutions to establish roadmaps. Recently, we leveraged our IT customer experience by implementing Maxion, a tailored version based on SophieX.
Looking forward, what are Maxion's next steps in digital transformation and innovation?
Maxion is actively pursuing several initiatives to advance its digital transformation and innovation strategy. Some of our next steps evolve around the expansion of AI and machine learning, enhance our data analytics, drive the adoption of Industry 4.0, and integrating digital solutions to enhance sustainability in our operations.